Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to harness AI. It's going to be very simple. Okay, so you're going to want to start off by navigating to replit.com. Once you're on here, you're going to want to hit the sign up button. I already have an account, so I'll hit login. Now go through the sign up process, and once you're done, you should get navigated to a page that looks something like this. So now you're going to want to hit the create REPL button and choose Python. Now give this title whatever you want. I'm just going to do the default one it comes with, and then hit create REPL. Now this little menu right here might open up. You just want to hit this close icon. Now once you get here, you're going to want to paste the code, which will be in the description. It's only a few lines, so don't worry. It's about 11 lines. And now this is pretty much all you need. So what you're going to want to do now is navigate to this secrets tab. You can just see under tools. You'll have to search a little bit. It should just be on the third row, the third one down. And in this key here, you're going to want to copy this cohere API key and paste that in there. Just make sure to remove that. Okay. Cohere API key like this. Now you're going to want to navigate to cohere.ai. Once you're here, you're going to want to hit try now. And it should navigate you to the dashboard. You will have to go through a little sign up process. But once you've signed up, you're just going to want to hit API keys. And you'll see there'll be a default trial one here. So now, this is just if you're using this for yourself. If you are launching this to production for like a company or for multiple people to use, then you will need to get a production key. And there's a small fee. But you can just use the trial one if it's just you. So you just want to hit this little copy icon next to it. And then you can come and paste it into here. So I didn't copy mine because I don't want to share my key. But then you copy it into here and you hit add new secret. Okay, so now I put my secret key in there and it should all be working. Now, in here, we want to type what we wanted to generate. So let's just say, can you generate a random YouTube channel name? And then hit run. Now you're going to need to wait a little bit. As you can see, there's a slight error. So now, super easy to fix this. All you have to do is come over here, click on the 4 developers, and click on API reference. Once you're on API reference, you want to find the generate. So that should just be right here, co.generate. And now you'll see this little command here. You want to copy that command and come over here to the shell. If you can't find the shell up here, it'll be right here in your tools bar. And now you want to paste this in here. And it will look in indexes. It'll do a few things. It shouldn't take too long. And then once it shows your replit name, your project name here, you know it's working. Now if you hit run, it should work this time. As you can see, it generated it. It has some ID and some other stuff, prompt name, and it shows you what here. But you were specifically looking for this text field, and you can generate and then see, you can see it answered. Now you have to be pretty specific with this AI, but it should be working. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again in another video on the channel. Goodbye.